Curing with water. For this you need a hot box, a circulation pump, a hose package and various small parts. First, a coupling is mounted on the hose. This is connected to the axle or the water duct in the drum, and the hose is wound up in parallel with a retaining cord fixed to the drum axle. This retaining cord then serves as additional protection in the event that the hose would tear at the front. The hose construction is opened again at the front so that there is later a greater outflow of water. The retaining cord is knotted to the hose. A loop is tied for this purpose to ensure that the liner is attached to the hose. You do this so that you do not have to repeatedly destroy the hose strap construction that was previously wound up, but only cut the loop to loosen the connection between the water hose and the liner. For instance, this means that this loop is attached at the front and thus provides the connection point of the liner. Here, a tensioning belt or a rope is put through the inversion hose in order to later pull the liner through the drum to the inversion point. Now the impregnated liner comes into play. This is folded and covered with duct tape to protect the foil. The liner is placed in the loop that has been made, bent over and fixed with a cable tie. These cable ties have a steel tongue so that they can withstand the temperature later. The whole thing is then wrapped with duct tape so that there are no more sharp edges, because this knot runs once through the whole pipe. The liner is pulled through the inversion hose with the help of the tensioning belt. The whole thing is then turned inside out on the inversion bend, fixed with duct tape and fastened with hose clips. The system is now closed, compressed air connected and the pressure increased to around 0.2 to 0.3 bar. The inversion starts. Now the liner is inverted. The hose is pulled to the end point of the line in order to build up the circulation later. A suction hose from the drum base is now connected to the pump on the floor. A fresh water supply is established. Here is, so to speak, the water inlet for the hot box, the water outlet and the warm water curing. The hot water is then introduced via the drum axle. Now we start to fill the system. The water runs through the water hose, which we also pull to the lowest point. A pressure equalization is created. As soon as the water comes back, the suction is established from the drum base. The water supply is closed and the circulation started. The hot box is then switched on, and this then heats the water in the system to a predefined temperature, normally 55 degrees.